The Mystic Tan Kyss you know and love is ready to reveal its makeover with 3 new door designs to match your salon decor. Introducing Dream, inspired by a beautiful, majestic morning sunrise. Fantasy, an edgy, modern custom style. And Paradise, where palms flow free in the beach breeze. How it works. A client first chooses the intensity of their tan, light, medium, pure medium, or dark, all blended with naturally derived ingredients. Plus, Pure has the added benefit of organic ingredients. Mystic Tan is formulated and has options for all skin tones from pale to darker brown. But the choices don't end there. Clients love bronzers for instant color and their choice of multiple scents, which gives you even more revenue. So, what's the magic behind this great tan? Mystic Tan is the only auto spray booth with patented MAGNETAN technology. MAGNETAN energizes the spray to attract the mist to the skin for even coverage over the entire body. That's it. In less than 3 minutes, your clients will have a perfect tan. Small booth for small spaces. The Kyss is designed to fit in any space. It's smaller than a masseuse table, petty station, or waxing room, meaning you can turn any tiny space into a profit generator. The Mystic Tan Kyss is smart, simple, and now more modern with a new style. This reliable and durable booth gives your clients the perfect glow every time, and it gives your location a proven new revenue stream.